This is an introduction to the Briefcase tyre changer, a portable, full height tyre changing stand. It doesn't come with any levers, but there is plenty of room inside the case to store them. I'll set it up at the maximum height. You can see how high it goes. All this stuff here is zinc plated. It is adjustable at the back here for setting up on uneven concrete, and the case doubles as a bench top, so you can access your levers conveniently. And the stand is designed to be stood on, either there or there for a smaller wheel. This keeps the whole stand nice and steady while you're wrestling with the tyre. It comes with both a 40mm and an 80mm diameter high density plastic washer, depending on the kind of hub you're using, whether it needs to be wider or not so wide. It comes with 4 sleeves of your choosing and 3 different shafts. This is the sleeve I use for my front wheel. And this here is also a multi-purpose key feature. One convenience of it is it's a good handle. And the other features I'll demonstrate on my front wheel here. This here is fully adjustable and it serves 2 purposes. One purpose is for when dealing with moose tubes. It allows you to push the rim lock back into the moose tube. The other purpose is for removing the second bead from the rim, which I'll demonstrate now. WD-40 works as a great lubricant. And a little can like this will store easily in the case. Dealing with moose tubes, I use these Motion Pro Bead Pro levers. They're quite handy. The only reason why I'm using my front wheel instead of my rear wheel is because my rear wheel has 3 rim locks and it's not really suitable for a good demonstration. Now I'll demonstrate the other purpose of this adjustable leverage point. What I do is I use one lever to push the bead away from the rim and push another lever down beside it. Once underneath the adjustable leverage point, I simply push down on the lever and that removes the tyre from the rim. Now I'll demonstrate the versatility of the stand. This stand comes with 3 shafts, a 20mm one with different sleeves, a 10mm shaft and a 12mm shaft. To undo a shaft, you remove the washer, which exposes wrench flats for a 17mm spanner, which is included in the kit. You undo the shaft and put another shaft in. Each shaft uses the same 17mm spanner to tighten up, and then the washer goes back over the top. Push that in there closer. So I'm dealing with a smaller wheel now. This is when it comes in handy to stand on the two closer footrests. Now to demonstrate the adjustable leverage point on a smaller wheel. As you can see, it works on any size wheel.